Welcome to Worldwide Admissions Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to use your student dashboard step by step, right after you sign in. First, click your profile picture, then choose Dashboard to open your home screen. Before anything else, the most important step is to complete your profile. From the left menu, click My Profile. Here, add your first name, last name, email, phone, and other basic details. Make sure everything matches your ID card or passport to avoid issues later. You can also update your cover photo if you like. Now let's return to the dashboard overview. At the top, you'll see a welcome banner. In the center, your cards show the current status, like course applications and scholarships. If you haven't applied yet, click Browse Courses or Browse Scholarships to get started. On the right, you'll see your designated counselor. You can chat with your counselor or book a counseling session directly from this panel. Next, complete your application. You'll see 4 required steps: basic information, application, information, upload, documents, review, and submit. We'll go through them in order. In basic information, enter your details exactly as they appear on your ID card or passport: family name, given name, date of birth, gender, nationality, country of residence, marital status, religion if required, and native language, etc. In application information, provide your educational background, your last qualification grades or CGP, a year of completion, and any work experience if applicable. Complete all mandatory fields and save. Now upload your documents as per the listed requirements, for example, passport or ID, academic transcripts, certificates, English language test like IELTS, TOEFL, or PTE CV, or resume, statement of purpose, and reference letters depending on the program. Follow the file size and format guidelines and upload each item one by one. Finally, go to Review and Submit. Check every section carefully. If you spot an error, click Edit to fix it. Once everything looks good, click Submit. Your application will be sent to the university via Worldwide Admissions Hub. After submission, open Application Status Tracker from the left menu. Here you can see the status of each application, which university and course you've applied to, and where you are in the process. Use this page to stay updated without emails or phone calls. Next, go to Payment Tracker and History. This is where you can pay your university application fees or tuition through Worldwide Admissions Hub's secure payment options and view your complete payment history for records and receipts. Open Accommodation Booking. Fill this simple form. Country, city, university. Type of accommodation, preferred distance from institution. Start date, any preferences, and your budget range in your chosen currency. Add your phone number and email, then click Submit. Our team will help arrange suitable housing before you arrive. Lastly, visit airport pickup. When you land in your study destination, a pre-arranged vehicle will take you safely from the airport to your accommodation. This ensures a smooth, stress-free arrival. Worldwide Admissions Hub handles the logistics so you can focus on your new journey. And that's your complete Worldwide Admissions Hub dashboard tour, from completing your profile to submitting applications, tracking status, making secure payments, booking accommodation, and arranging airport pickup. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and share this video. See you inside Worldwide Admissions Hub.